Hello everyone, Dynamite Camo here! Wait a minute, this isn't Dynamite Camo, it's Relaxing Galactic! What is this freak of nature that I've created? Yes, as you have all seen, Dynamite Camo, wait, not Dynamite Camo, Relaxing Galactic, If you all have seen the video on Dynamite Camo's channel where he switched me and Gamer Wolf 4's Pokemon stuff around and turned me into a girl, this is your payment back, Dynamite. You're this freak of nature. Look at you with your weird nose, your weird beard, and your blonde hair. Oh, you did by Squidward. You are a freak of nature, man. I'm playing just Scary Elevator because I had no clue what else to frickin' do. But yes, I will play as this freak of nature right here. Here. This is your payment, Dynamite. Should have bought you girl hair, but I don't want to waste your money. Oh wait, you have no money. Oh good lord, here he comes. Yeah, you are one freakish nature. Oh, wait a minute. Here you go. Ah, you look lovely. Ah, you look at you, you look lovely. Look at you with the blonde and brown hair. You look beautiful, man. You look beautiful. You look so beautiful, man. You look beautiful. What are we doing, junk? Look, everybody, it's junk. Oh, this policeman did. Two bodies. So, things I must have done are like crazy. Have fun returning this back to your normal self, Dynamite. Because you have my purple fire of flames, Game Rule 4, whatever, if it is or not, on the back. Your gold armor, your blonde hair, your stupid pants, the old shirt, whatever the heck this was that you bought, and someone just became a box. You are one freak in nature, and I have your mask, your other beard mask. Oh, oh, get away. Get away from me, ice cream man. Must stand on your head. Oh, that's a skull. Actually, I've never played this game myself. Dynamite Camo did. He probably never did a video on it. All the boxes in there. Yay. Heck, I might add your wings. I don't know, you don't deserve your wings. You hardly use them anyways. You don't have a purpose for the wings! Oh, look at that. You get a brown mark right on your head. Where is this person? Oh, it's a mighty Krampus. It's Cramps. Get on the gingerbread. Oh wait, there he is. You're right here. Get me on this gingerbread house. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Ah, damn it. Nom 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 nom. Oh, this gingerbread's so good. Nom 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 nom. Ah, damn it. Someone's already got that coin. Yeah. The freakish in nature with the wolf on the back. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Look at him. He is beautiful. Haddonfield. I don't know who this is. Why am I talking in this accent? Who he always come from? Oh wait, there he is. Get away Me a freak is a nature. No, get away. Get away. Ah, damn it. The freaking nature is dead. I poke you with me stick. Scrawny Bones. They're seriously literally named Scrawny Bones. No wonder they're hiding in the box. The imposter. The bush is right here. Oh, wait a minute. I got rid of the purple hair. Or not the purple hair. Got rid of that. No. I want that back. Ah, there we go. You're beautiful now. You're beautiful now. Dynamite the camel. You look so beautiful. Oh, hey, Bones. I don't know what the bones do, really. I see this is for wind. Get away from the freaking nature. The freaking nature will leave. Yeah. Should have tried to figure out how to rename you, but I wouldn't have the Robux. But do you want the man with the weird shoes? Maybe I should have bought you those weird shoes. But Dynamite Campbell, you look beautiful. You look so beautiful, man. Um, oh, hey, it's SCP. Oh, shit. Buy me the. Get the hair back. Can I have more than one? Oh, yes. You look beautiful, man. Look at you. You look so beautiful. Look at you, man. You look beautiful. What else can I do? And that don't show up. Look, I'm buying you things that you won't even have. I bought you swords. Oh, can I only have 4? Or 3? I guess I can only have you 3. Look at this man, this guy hates you. Look at you, you're beautiful. Oh, it's the hello neighbor. Look at you, man, you beautiful. You beautiful, beautiful man. Look at you, you beautiful, beautiful man. Oh wait, we should have the robot. No! Okay. We had the robot head. Oh, you look better. Look at you, man, you look beautiful. Oh yes, very beautiful. Beautiful. Everyone was looking at you like, what the hell is wrong with this guy? He's got the thing of Christ on you. Christ almighty. Why did you come after me? Go away, go away, go away, go away. Ah, screw you. That back now. This. What does this do? It does nothing. There's a robot head. There's a robot head. Oh, yes, you look beautiful. Look, you have a dog for a chin now. Or a scarf. Hey, there you go. There are more. There are wings. Okay, I have to play around with this actually. Okay, that don't do much. Wait a minute. Okay. A premium hat, I'm guessing you have to buy. Yeah, you probably have to buy those. But hey, we can give you wings. That kind of sucks that you can only have 3. No, look, there you go, you look beautiful now. Hey, we looked. We weren't even in the elevator. Look at us. We are beautiful. Look how beautiful I am. Look into my eyes. Damn it. Look into my eyes. Look how beautiful I am. Look how beautiful I am. And I didn't do a thing on how my Pokemon character looked. I don't know how to record on phone right now. If I did, I would have. But oh god, run, run. You guys are dumb. He can one-shot you. Thanks, you idiots. Can we add that? The wings. Where are the wings? There are the wings and the donut hat. I think. Oh, hang on. Game Rule 4 is adding. Might be able to do this. Hang on. Hello, Game Rule 4. You are still in my recording. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. I've made him look worse.
Oh, how could you have made him look worse?
Oh, you'll just have to watch the video. I've done many.
You have to watch my video. So I made him completely red color.
You know I am recording still, right?
Oh,
Oh, it's fine. Plus, this thing probably can't detect your voice anyway. Because, of course, I use.
that's good. I might want to tell your audience who you're talking to.
I did. I said Gamer Rule 4 is calling.
Oh, lol. How far are you in your recording?
11 minutes.
How far are you with it? Are you done?
Almost. I want to get to 15. I'll probably get to 15 minutes.
Yeah. Well, I will call you back. Well, actually, I'll just stay on the call. Just mute myself.
Alright.
And you're done with your recording.
Alright, have fun, Gamer Rule 4.
No deal.
Ooh, skull. It's fun. Where's our guy? Where's our killer at? Did they find him? No?
This is commentary that I hear.
It's stupid
I'm
or a
sorry, it's
tumba. It's a stupid or a
like I love
bullshit.
the 5 seconds. Yeah, I just feel blah, 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 blah. Like, what the fuck is this commentary?
It's whatever stupid thing I feel like doing. I thought you were,
That's
and I thought you were going to mute yourself.
I was until I heard that commentary. Yeah, I have to question this. I have to stop this insanity.
Just watch the video, you'll understand the commentary.
Okay, I will. Okay, I'll mute myself.
You can touch me. No, I will not. You might not touch me, you beautiful elf. Look at you, you beautiful elf man. Oh, you gone. You beautiful man. Why are you killing me? I called you beautiful. He killed me. Even though I called him beautiful. Yeah, I think he muted me. I do not know what is going on in type.
Oh my god, cringe! XD!
It's beautiful though. When your wolf is hidden. Excuse me, that was a very rude. Oh look, it's snow. It's snow. Who is it gonna die soon? Oh wait, present. Hello, Mr. President. It could be pleasant. And climb the tree. I can't climb the tree. Oh hey! I didn't realize that. I did not know you could escape the floor. Oh well, whatever. Oh, we are gonna. Oh hey, I lived. Yeah, this sexy beast cannot be killed. He looks so sexy. Look, I can sound like a dynamite. There's your reasoning, by the way, Wolf. He sounds so sexy, cause that's how dynamite talks. My voice cracked. Was it Chucky? Oh, it's Chucky. Chicken cheese. Oh crap.
Can you share your screen, please?
Yeah, hang on.
Thank you.
Alright, you looking? Oh. Might be a while, hang on. Look, look at
Oh, there we
this.
go.
Look
Oh,
at
I see.
look at this beautiful freaking nature.
Oh
Look,
my god.
look how look at how beautiful he is. Look at him.
Oh my
Look how beautiful he is.
god. It's like he's the actual monster in the game.
Me. I am the beautiful monster of this game. Of the world. Look at how beautiful I am. Where's this escape hatch? Ooh, look. Hey, hidden. What the hell did I find? I don't know. I don't think there is a monster here. Oh, it's Jeff. Oh, Game Level 4 has joined. Get in the elevator, man. Look how beautiful I am. It looks like Game Level 4 has joined. Where are you, man? Oh, there you are. Oh, I don't know if you wanted your... I won't show that yet. Oh, well, it's too late because I can't edit out. So, you do know your Death Wolf 8 is showing? Your Death Wolf 8? Yeah, surprise everyone, this is Death Wolf 8. He hasn't showed it yet, but yeah. I hope you don't mind. Because I have no way of editing that out. Are you still there? He probably can't handle the beautifulness. He can't handle the beautifulness. Oh wait, there's SCP. It's a puts and kills you. Hatch opened. You make me open. I have no clue what I'm doing. Maybe? What is on here? Hmm. Game Rule 4, you still there?
Where you at, you fucker? Where
Okay.
are you?
Okay, let me
Where you at?
let me get back on the way to the elevator.
Oh god!
Did you? Oh, oh, it's a slow guy. 106.
The one I just got
Oh my
on the
gosh.
game. I just got on.
Okay, turn around.
No,
wait.
no.
I went head back to the elevator, by the way.
I died.
Hello, you beautiful son of a gun.
Where are you? Oh, hey, buddy. How you doing?
I am doing very good. Look how beautiful I am.
I know. Look how beautiful I am.
Why do you have a dragon? Why are you your dragon self?
Because it's horror monster Camp Crystal Lake. Oh shit, it's Camp Crystal Lake. Run!
So what do you think of me beautifulness? What do you think of me beautifulness, buddy? What do
Oh
you
my
think of my
god.
beautifulness? I'm beautiful. Oh, shit. Your face looks like a Renema, by the way.
Oh my god. Your face looks like I don't even want to know what your face looks like. It looks like an owl had sex with a moose, and then
Dude,
a
I do not want
baby
to get my
came out
channel
older.
demonetized.
You don't even have monetization.
I don't care. I don't want to get rid of my channel. I might have to restart
You really
this now
want to
because
know
of
this.
you.
You don't.
Well, it showed your death will fate if you don't want that in the video.
Oh, it's completely fine. It's completely fine.
Okay. Oh crap, this guy.
Oh, I forgot. Don't go right into the elevator. Why are you locked onto me, bitch? Oh,
Heat.
I'm down here now. Oh, fuck.
But aren't I beautiful? Aren't I beautiful?
Try not to. Hey, what's up there? Can we get up here?
I think so. I haven't tried. But buddy, don't I look beautiful?
Oh, oh my god.
Look,
Oh my
look,
god.
it even has one of your wolf buddies, but he's hidden.
Yeah, he's kind of hidden. I can't really see him. Who's Tinky? Tinky?
Oh, I don't know.
Who the fuck is Tinky? Tinky, hello? Hello? Gotta go up on the house.
Tinky Winky, you idiot.
Who's Winky?
Teletubbies.
Oh, no, no, no! It's not Teletubbies! It's fucking not! It's not Teletubbies!
Yeah, it is. That's Teletubbies.
No!
Good lord, man. That probably won't even show up on the video. Because my recording is so horrible, but I need to... Yeah. But don't I look beautiful?
Did you not set it up to like have internal audio?
I don't have your screencastify right now. I didn't set it up.
What are you using again?
What the hell? I was already dying for that.
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
The thing Dynamite showed me.
Oh dude, that should easily. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Barely.
After I come over, I'll just have to show you how to. Why? Why? No! Why? Why?
Because you got next to the door. My height. And my height is freaking nature. I
Why is it always me who dies first?
I don't know. Whee.
Fucking anti-furry shit.
Well, you're a furred dragon.
I'm a scaly. Anti-scaly shit, I guess.
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, I mean, like, there's different. There's normies who are people who don't are not furries or anything.
Because I love.
You're a normie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's funny. Where'd you go? Where'd you go in the house? Wait. Get. Run for your life. Ooh, pools of blood. Pools of blood. I am in. Instead of sprinkles, it's blood. I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Give me 5 seconds.
Oh, hey, I found a red key. I don't know what the hell it does. I have no clue what this red key does. Yeah, I don't know.
Hello, hello.
No,
Hello,
I love how
hello.
I said I might stop this at like 15 seconds, but I didn't.
Oh no!
Oh, hey, it's not a AC badge. Woohoo! Come on, get up here. Get up here. Where aren't you going? Go. Whee! There you go. And there's a hatch.
Okay. Oh my god, this game. Oh my god, this Dynamite Camo's weird saying. Probably, you guys probably remember this. This is the old troll that Relaxing Galactic did Dynamite Camo a while back. Oh my god,
No, I'm
this
just doing it now. This wasn't a while back. This was.
I'm recording.
Yeah, I know that. I kind of figured that.
Oh, but I'm not gonna post this for like a while. This is gonna be like an intro. Like this is gonna be a filler video. No camera. I'm literally playing this game on my couch. No, not again! Not again!
He is a one shot, by the way. He one shot you.
I know he's a one shot. Oh fuck me. Ah, help!
Yeah, just run. Ah, you're good.
Okay, I'm good. Hey,
Shit.
I didn't die immediately this time. Here's my flashlight. Here we go. This time I better. This is SCP
106.
What? SCP? Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Hey!
Nice.
I didn't die for once.
Nice. What do you think of the freak of nature, though?
Oh my god, this freak nature literally looks like a moose had sex with an owl.
It's a
And
moose.
then the child came out. Oh, freaking. It was just bad. Like, the mother felt it, the father felt it, the doctor felt it. It was just a.
Freak of nature.
Who is this? Oh, hey, buddy. No, not me. Yeah, that's right.
Ooh.
That's right. No! Don't leave me, you fuck! No! No! No!
Find the lava pool thing or portal thing.
No, I'm gonna try and test it out.
Never mind.
Oh! Wait, that was an escape hatch.
Exactly. If you can find those, you can escape every level and get a free win.
Where am I?
Back in the lobby.
Where do I go now?
Back to the.
Get ready, elevator stopping. Where the fuck do I go? Where do I go?
Back to the elevator.
I don't know where I'm at.
You're back in the lobby.
I see it. I went the opposite way.
Exactly.
I'm such an idiot.
Was it dead?
Okay, so oh my god!
Oh, the funny good nature. I gotta get back everything.
What the fuck was that?
Death. What am I
Hey, buddy!
Oh, I had the.
Hey, buddy!
What else did I have?
It's literally death. It's literally death.
Exactly. Oh, that's right. The moose things. There you go. I forgot what I had for a second.
My voice. I just recorded the troll for Dynamite Camo, and my god, my voice is already dead. This is going to really destroy it for tomorrow's school day.
Oh, it's it.
It's it.
Oh,
I'm not following. I am not following that balloon. Fuck that balloon. I'm following the balloon! No!
Oh, shit. Well, I'm dead. I had a jump scare.
I should have followed the balloon. I should have followed the balloon. The balloon was actually leading me to safety. I thought it was leading me to death. Once the balloon actually tried to help me, I should have listened. I should have listened. I should have followed it. Every horror movie, you never follow the sweet and innocent. The sweet and innocent are always the ones that want to kill you. Oh, it's Among. It's death again. It's death.
Oh, it is. Shit. There really is no way to avoid him.
I'm safe. Maybe not. I'm safe. How am I not safe? Oh. This whole video is just me screaming, dying.
Ring around the rosy with death.
What was that? Whoa! What the frick? What am I? Oh, I'm flying! I'm flying! I was flying. I'm flying again!
What the hell are you doing? How are you doing that?
I'm flying!
How are you doing? How are you doing? Oh.
I don't know. I'm a dragon. I'm just gonna hide. It's fine. I'm safe in this box.
Oh, it's Ronald McDonald.
Yeah.
It's Ronald McDonald.
I'm in my box. You can't see me in my box. You can't see me in my box. You can see me in the box. You can see me in the box. It was alive.
if you go to the jester hat, you can make yourself look beautiful too.
Oh my god, I hate everything. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly.
Alright.
I'm literally flying! I'm literally flying!
Alright, everyone,
Oh
I
my
said I end
god!
this at 15, but I went an extra 15 minutes. So I'm ending this video here. Dynamite, don't ever try this again, or this freak of nature will come to your house. See you all in
Help!
the
I'm
next
flying!
video.